In the world of international finance and central banking, what an institution chooses not to say is often 10 times more important than what they announce in press releases for over 60 consecutive days. Amidst an overwhelming wave of public speculation, social media noise, and endless market rumors, both the Central Bank of Iraq and the Prime Minister's office have maintained absolute, deliberate silence regarding the Delete the Zeros project and the real effective exchange rate adjustment. Let me tell you why that silence is a massive structural signal. Central banks exist to manage market stability. When a rumor or speculative wave threatens to disrupt monetary stability, a central bank's default function is to crush it immediately with a formal denial. In this video, we are analyzing the psychology of central bank communications. I am going to show you why this 60-day silence is not an oversight, what Baghdad is quietly building while the cameras are off, and how 3 documented international moves prove that the real strategy is already in motion. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let's dissect what is happening beneath the surface. Layered on top of the Treasury agreement is a second major development taking place in Geneva, Switzerland. Senior delegates from Iraq's Ministry of Trade met directly with World Trade Organization leadership to enter the final stages of full WTO accession. Iraq has already cleared 3 technical rounds, with WTO officials publicly praising their compliance speed. Here is the macroeconomic reality. A sovereign nation cannot operate outside the WTO while expecting its currency to be integrated into international commerce. Full WTO compliance is the universal green light for global trade. Simultaneously, the CBI has deployed an immutable electronic payment infrastructure. This modern digital layer acts as an automated audit system, making large-scale transaction fraud structurally impossible. They haven't just talked about reform. They have built the exact digital plumbing required for international compliance. Let's bring all of these pieces together into a clear strategic verdict. The 60-day silence coming out of Baghdad is not a sign of delay or indecision. When you pair that silence with US Treasury banking clearances, advanced WTO accession in Geneva, and live digital audit systems in Baghdad, you see an institution quietly checking off every single prerequisite. They are not making noise on social media because real central bank transitions are built on documented structural readiness, not public hype. As an investor and observer, here is how you should navigate this environment. Filter out the noise. Ignore daily hype posts and focus exclusively on verifiable policy developments. Maintain discipline. Keep your legal, tax, and personal financial documentation organized. Prepare strategically. Consult licensed wealth management professionals ahead of time so you are prepared to manage liquidity effectively when institutional shifts take place. The foundation is laid, the international pipes are reconnected, and the process is moving forward. If you appreciate factual, noise-free macroeconomic breakdowns, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Stay patient, stay prepared, and I will see you in the next analysis.